that graces the living spaces of the Johnson residence. Imagine stepping into a home where illumination is not merely functional but an artful dance of light, seamlessly choreographed to elevate every moment. At the core of this transformative system is its intelligent design. Motion sensors discreetly placed throughout the house anticipate your every move, orchestrating a ballet of light that follows you effortlessly from room to room. It's an experience that feels intuitive, as if the very atmosphere is attuned to your presence, creating an environment that is not just lit but alive. The system's true genius lies in its adaptability. Picture waking up to the soft, warm glow reminiscent of a sunrise, gradually brightening as you start your day. As daylight transitions to evening, the lights seamlessly shift, mirroring the natural progression of sunlight. It's a dynamic interplay that not only enhances visibility but also impacts the mood of the space, creating an ever-changing canvas within the confines of your home. The color spectrum offered by this system is a revelation. From the gentle warmth of early morning to the vibrant energy of midday,